Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error if you try to purchase app from App Store and showing here error to avoid interruption to your account purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So guys, firstly you have to remove your payment method from here. Okay guys, just simply remove the payment method and then you have to close this page, and after that just simply open settings. Now tap on your Apple ID banner. Now scroll it down and tap on media and purchases. Tap on view account guys, and wait for a while from here guys, and tap on country or region. So guys, again wait for a while from here because it's loading. Now tap on change country or region. So guys, you have to select another country. If you have given your country name in your previous payment method, just simply put different country name, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully. So if you are agree, just simply tap on agree, again tap on agree, and now wait for a while from here and just simply select your payment method. Here the credit, debit card, PayPal, mobile phone, or none. So guys, I'm selecting at none. So if you have any payment method, just simply select your payment method, and here you have to put your address. Okay guys, like this. So you can put your address, especially for the postcode. Okay guys, so here you have to select your country and just simply give your phone number. So you can put fake one as well. Just simply tap on next, and after that your payment method will be updated and you can easily purchase something from App Store. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.